Hey, concrete fans, welcome to Secret Mini. We've got some leftover concrete. If you're new to the channel, we make beautiful things out of concrete. That's what we do. And look at this. I got a beautiful lump of colored concrete, a nugget. But this nugget of concrete, I don't want to just throw it out. So what do? I've got a tiny mold. And I take this beautiful nug of concrete. I put it into the tiny mold. Push it down in there. And then just start tapping it out. That was just a dry, old, dusty nug. I'm going to throw it in the garbage. But why? Why throw something in the garbage when you can recycle? Plus, that's not just any old concrete. That's pure gold, gray matter. The greatest concrete in the world. The most beautiful concrete in the world. I love it. I've been working with it. Well, I made it for me. It's a concrete I made for me. For a very specific purpose, to make beautiful things. Nobody else, Lafarge, Holcim, Heidelberg, whoever you are out there in the concrete world, your goal when you make a new concrete mix is always mechanical properties. No one in their right mind says, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make a concrete that's beautiful. Nobody said that ever. I said it, and I'm doing it. And I did it. Now I want you to do it. Make some beautiful concrete. So there, just a little mini rant about concrete and what you can do with some garbage, concrete garbage. Catch you on the cured side, 4 hours. Goodbye, little concrete. Hey, concrete fans, we are back on the cured side. It has been about 4 hours, and this is our just little junky bit kernels that I was going to throw out. And let's see, you would have thrown out too. Let's see what we made. They were pretty dry, so I'm a little bit worried that once it starts getting a little too dry, you can get some pretty voidy things, but yeah, a little guy. And that had been sitting on the table for 15, 20 minutes, so yeah, it is some dry, starting to lose its plasticity and not really flowing too well anymore, but I think we still got something that could be usable in an aquarium or terrarium or even just in a little rock garden. It's something. So don't throw your concrete out. Use it for something because you can. Anyway, that's a quickie. Just a quick little short. What can you make out of a little nugget of concrete? You can make a little guy if you got the right molds. So yeah, you want to have big molds and then smaller molds and then smaller molds. Smaller molds. So bigger, smaller, and make sure you don't waste stuff. Thanks for checking out the channel. Really appreciate it. If you liked what you saw today and want to see more of concrete making beautiful things out of concrete, like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and leave a comment down below. Talk about what you'd like to see next. What do you want to see out of concrete? What do you want to learn about?